our home, I see almost everything. But I can't see what's in the air we breathe. For that, we have Breeze. Protect your indoor air quality with Breeze. Using multiple sensors, Breeze detects a variety of airborne health hazards that can lead to childhood atopic diseases, such as eczema, asthma, and allergies. Breeze detects the silent killer formaldehyde, a leading cause of sick house syndrome, as well as deadly carbon monoxide. It measures airborne particulate matter caused by smoke and kitchen gases. Breeze also shows temperature and humidity levels to help ensure your home's comfort. And with the Breeze app, you can have all the air quality information you need to protect your home at your fingertips. Breeze, so we can all breathe easy.